Good day, everyone. I am Maria Cristina Dumandan, born on January 3, 1990, 34 years old, from Bohol, Philippines. I am married and blessed with 12 years old child. I am a high school graduate and I love cooking, cleaning, taking good care of kids and pets. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 3 years and 8 months from March 2017 to November 2021. I serve one couple and 5 years old child. I work as the domestic helper in Doha, Qatar for 1 year and 10 months from August 2022 to June 2024. I serve one couple and 3 years old child. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years from September 2013 to September 2015. I serve one couple with a 2 years old child.